Hey guys, so if you're watching this, you've probably received one of these letters in the mail telling that TD Ameritrade is going to be transferring to Schwab, and you're going to be getting these for every single account that you have. So for every account you have with TD Ameritrade, Schwab is going to give you one of these letters in the mail, letting you know about the transition and what you need to do. For the most part, all you got to do is create a new login at Schwab. Everything else is going to transfer over. All of your account information, the tax forms, the move money authorizations, all that's moving over. So as far as we've been told, all we gotta do is create these accounts. So I'm gonna walk you guys through exactly how to set that up. All right, so just head over to any kind of browser, and then you're gonna want to get the little guidebook they sent you. It's a little like cardstock threefold thing. Middle column, so what you need to do, the very first thing gives you the website that you need to go to. So it is just Schwab alliance.com. So let's punch this in, see where it goes. All right, so once you get to the page, it should look something like this. If you're like me and never set up an account with Schwab yet, go ahead and click New User down here. Next, you're gonna have to create your login. So just kind of follow the steps here. We'll hit Start. So it's gonna want your account number. It says it'll take the Schwab or the TD Ameritrade number. Now, the other letter that came with that, it's just a single page things like this. If you go to the bottom of it, you're going to see your account number listed there. Once you get through that, they're going to send you a code. You can either have them call you or text it. Next screen, you're going to have to actually create your login and password, confirm your password, security question, answer, and then hit continue. Now, once you guys get all that set up, it's going to want you to set up two-step verification, which is a very important security feature. It's up to you how often you want to be asked about it. So every time you log in, it's going to basically hit you with that texting code or whenever it calls you, or you can say when I'm not on a trusted device. So if you only log in on one computer or one phone, then you'll never have to put in that extra code. But if someone tries to access it or you try to access it from some other computer with a different IP address, like at your school or work computer, then that's when you'll get pinged on it. So that's what I'm going to go with. And then it's going to ask you, is this a trusted device or not? So you're going to say yes if it's a computer you use. If you're doing this on a friend's computer or your work computer, maybe just hit no on that one. Next, it's going to ask you to download Schwab's mobile app, which I'll go ahead and do that later. And then when it's done, it'll give you your login ID and you should be all set. Go and hit continue and see what pops up here. And boom. So if you're like me logging in before Labor Day weekend or before the switch happens, they have a little countdown here. It tells you kind of what's going on. So basically December 1st, you can't log in to TD Ameritrade anymore, but in the morning of December 5th, you will be able to. And it's going to have a list of accounts that are coming over. The nice thing with this is with Schwab, so I just enter that one account now, but it linked it to all of my different accounts. So I have some that I run through the company Scenic Financial. I have some private ones. I have an HSA that's with a completely different login before. It's all linked now. So you can see here, I have an HSA, individual brokerage account, and I have two different Roth IRAs going on. That's all being linked into this one login. So it's really nice. Before TD Ameritrade, I think I had like 3 logins for all the different ones. Now it's all synced into one. All right, and that's all there is to it. Hope that was helpful for everyone, and I'll catch you guys next week.